On this channel, someone asked me how they can create an account in 1688. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create an account on 1688. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's get started and see how you can create an account on 1688. The first thing you have to do is to make sure you download and install 1688 app on your phone. If you don't know how to download and install 1688 app on your phone, all you have to do is to head over to my channel. I have made a video about it. So let me walk you through how you can get the video. So I'm clicking on my content right here. So when you visit my channel, you need to head over to playlist. Then from playlist, you will see China, India, Turkey importation tutorial. Just click on that from the playlist. So having clicked on that, you will see all my previous present tutorial about importation business. So what you need to do is to scroll down. So when you scroll down, you're going to see it right here. This is the title of the video, how to get the right 1688 app for iPhone and Android phone. So you can see the thumbnail right here, download 1688 app. So after a successful download and install the app, then let's head over to my phone screen and get started with the registration. So after a successful download and install, you're going to have something like this. So what you need to do is to click on this app right here, which is 1688. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on here, this man icon. It takes you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then it takes you right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on here. Then at this point here, you have to select the first one right here. Then right here, you have to click on here to change from this country code to your country code. Then from the point here, you have to look for your country code. All right, so here's my country code. So I have to make sure I click on that. Having clicked on your country code, then the next column is to enter your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, next thing you need to do is to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on here. So they are going to send a code, a verification code to the phone number you are trying to use for the registration. So let's wait for the code. All right, the code is here, 45 17 78, 45 17 78. So immediately you enter the verification code, it will take you back to 1688 homepage like this. Okay. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then it will take you to your profile page like this. So at the top right here, you can see your Tauba number. Tauba name will be at the top right here. And then you can see this account is fresh. And at the point here, this is the product you have not paid for. At this point here, this is a product that is already been confirmed and ready to move for a shipment. At this point here, this is a product already shipped and on transit. At this point here, this is where you give a feedback eventually when you have received your product. At the last stage right here, this is where you track your refund process in case you have any refund. So this is how you can create a successful 1688 account step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. If you want to contact me for business purpose, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.